This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix animated live photos not working as wallpaper after your last iOS update. Follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is turn off low power mode. To do that, go to your iPhone settings and tap on battery. And here, make sure to disable low power mode and then check the issue. The second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and then check the issue. The third solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, and here tap on motion and enable reduce motion. And after that, check the issue. And the next solution is delete the wallpaper and reset the live wallpaper again. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on wallpaper, tap on add new wallpaper. Now all you have to need is select a new live wallpaper and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix animated live photos not working as wallpaper issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.